So I went and got a K31 from World Tiger Imports. I saw they were on sale. They were under 500, so I decided to go ahead and get one. They were listed as being in very good to excellent condition, which this looks pretty good. So overall, I'm pretty happy with it so far. Took about a week to get to me, so it's pretty quick. So I definitely can't complain there. So go ahead and take a closer look at it. You can see the butt plate, butt look good. Got a little cartouche there. A couple little dents here. Got the Swiss mark there. Top of the receiver. It's really nice wood on this one. Nice light color. Good grain. A lot of original finish too. Good turnover. Look on the other side. And the stock looks pretty good. Looks like that's where they put the import mark. Kind of understand why they don't put it on the barrel because of the stacking rod, but it would be nice if they did that instead of putting it on the receiver. And it looks like the bolt and the receiver and the barrel and the magazine all match, which is good. Looks pretty good on this side as well. Good amount of original finish on the metal, and wood looks like it's in pretty good shape. Your sights there in pretty good condition. Little scratch there. Be interested to see if there's an owner's tag under the butt. Usually there is. So go ahead and take a look at the bore. It definitely looks pretty good as described. It's in very good condition, I would say. It's got a great bore. It's all matching. It's got the original magazine, which has a little bit of wear on it, but these were definitely used. It sounds like they were used in like some kind of sporting competition or something based on the website description. So hard to say how much use they got, but you do see some wear marks in the bolt and elsewhere on the rifle. I always like the Swiss rifles. They're definitely a little bit more complex of a design than other bolt actions of the period, especially for a straight pull, but definitely a smooth action. So you're getting a pretty nice rifle for the price that they're offering them at. So I'll definitely break this down. I'll do a video of how it looks taken apart, as well as cleaning it up, putting it back together, see if there's an owner tag in that butt. So if you'd like to be alerted of that video when it comes out, feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. If you have any questions about this rifle, feel free to drop them in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.